Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Valvoline Incorporation ticker symbol VVV listed on the NYSE. Valvoline is a well-known automotive service company that provides engine oil, vehicle maintenance and quick service solutions across many locations. The company has built a strong brand image in the automotive care industry and continues expanding its service network. Looking at the chart, VVV recently showed mixed short-term momentum with some selling pressure near the closing session. The stock is trading near an important support zone and traders are watching whether buyers can maintain stability at current levels. If momentum improves, the chart may attempt a recovery trend while weakness could keep the stock moving sideways for some time. From a future perspective, Valvo lines focus on vehicle maintenance, services and customer convenience may help the company stay relevant in the long run as demand for automotive servicing continues. This video is only for educational and informational purposes. Please do your own research before making any investment decision. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stock market updates.